Maserati Grecale 2023, a new rival for the Porsche Macan. Maserati has unveiled a world premiere of an all-new luxury compact SUV that is likely to become its best seller. Smaller than the Levante, the Grecale takes its name from a wind from the Mediterranean and promises to bring a good dose of fresh air to the range. This model will debut on the market in 3 versions: GT, Modena and Trofeo. In 2023, Maserati will add a Grecale Folgore, Lightning, in Italian, which will be its first vehicle with a 100% electric motor. The base powertrain is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 48-volt mild hybridization. Its power is 296 horsepower, GT, or 325 horsepower, Modena, managed by an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Torque reaches 332 pound-feet. 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Reserved for the Trofeo version, the alternative is a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 derived from the MC20 supercar. It generates 523 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque. The accompanying Brembo brakes will be well appreciated, as this engine can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.8 seconds and spin up to 285 km/h. Either way, Maserati promises a distinctive sound and thrilling handling. 5 driving modes are offered: Comfort, GT, Sport, Race, Trofeo only, and Off-road. An air suspension is also optional on the Grecale GT and Modena, included as standard on the Trofeo. Design-wise, Maserati took inspiration from the said MC20 to some extent, starting with the low and imposing grille. The boomerang taillights, on the other hand, are reminiscent of the old 3200 GT. The colors available are specific to the different versions, such as the Grecale Trofeo's Giallo Coarse Yellow. By the way, the vehicle is 4.85 meters long, with a wheelbase of 2.9 meters, 1.67 meters high and 2.16 meters wide. Decor. Inside, the Decor is resolutely modern, uncluttered and driver-focused. Powered by a multimedia system with intelligent assistant, the 12.3-inch central screen, the largest ever installed in a Maserati vehicle, is supported by an 8.8-inch screen for the auxiliary controls. Maserati's famous clock is now digital, as is the 12.3-inch instrument panel, and an optional head-up display figure. In the rear, occupants are treated to a 6.5-inch touchscreen for temperature controls. A 14 or 21 speaker Sonos audio system with 3D surround sound adds to the experience. Maserati also speaks of an unequaled space in the category. Online reservations are already open for the special launch edition, starting at $90,850 in Canada. Note that the Grecale 2023 should arrive on the market around the fall of 2022. A year later, it will be the turn of the Folgore electric version. Maserati wants to tackle mainly the Porsche Macan, which will also offer a battery-powered model for 2024.